Globally, wars and natural disaster displace millions of people continuously, destroying their homes and leaving behind astronomical figures of toxic waste. Already we're feeling the detrimental effects of our heavy industries on our climate, natural ecosystems, and all living beings. Our growing awareness creates a heightened concern about a rapid transformation of our most polluting industries to align quickly with the global sustainable development goals. In the face of war, Ukrainians have found a solution that builds up on their long tradition of cultivating industrial hemp.